The NETWORKDAYS.INTL function in Excel extends the capability of the standard network days function by allowing you to specify which days are considered weekends. This is perfect for handling work schedules that don't allow the typical Saturday-Sunday weekend pattern, making it essential for international work calendars or custom business schedules. Here's how you can use it. Suppose you want to calculate the number of working days between January 1st, 2024 and January 31st, 2024, where weekends are Fridays and Saturdays. You would use the formula is equal to networkdays.intl, open bracket, select your first date, comma, then select your second date, comma, then press 7 in double quotes. You can see many options to choose your weekend days. Now hit enter and it calculates the working days automatically, omitting Fridays and Saturdays as weekend. Give this try and let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn in Excel. I'll make a video tutorial based on your comments.